In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur video in Canva. Blurring a video is really useful if you want to hide sensitive information, keep a background subtle, or simply create a softer, more professional look. I'll walk you through an easy method inside Canva that uses basic elements you already have access to. Start by opening your Canva design in the editor where your video is already placed. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Find the option labeled Elements and click on it. This will open a new panel on the left with a variety of graphics and tools you can use in your design. Within this Elements panel, look for the section called Shapes. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little until you do. Click on Shapes and then choose the simple square shape. This square is going to act as our blur overlay. After you click the square, it will appear on your canvas. Click and drag the square so that it sits over your video. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners or edges of the square. If you want to blur the entire video, make sure the square completely covers it from edge to edge. If you only want to blur a specific area, like some text or a face, resize and position the square just over that section. With the square still selected, look at the toolbar that appears at the top of the editor. There, you'll see an option called Transparency. Click on it, and a slider will pop up. This is where you control how strong the blur-like effect appears. Drag the transparency slider to the left to make the square more transparent. As you do this, watch your video underneath and see how it looks. A setting somewhere between about 20 and 50 usually gives a nice soft blur effect, but feel free to adjust it until it matches the style you're going for. You can also change the color of the square to refine the look. Try white for a lighter, hazy blur, black or dark gray for a more subtle, moody blur. Just click the color tile in the top toolbar while the square is selected, choose your color, and then fine-tune the transparency again if needed. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully created a blurred area on your video in Canva using a simple shape and transparency.